up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
Hey, you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Ashley. I go by Pink or Pink-UniBudgetz here on YouTube and TikTok and Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on those other platforms so you get to see, like, you know, little content that I do on my stories and everything. But don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and share this video, because we are a budgeting channel. We do cash stuffings, we do budgeting, monthly setups. We also do a little bit of planning that goes in there because I love my stationery, girl. I love stationery. But all right, you guys, so the other video before this, we did our monthly savings challenges. So that's all good and dandy. Now we are doing the Hey Now Say Now sinking funds, and this is my girlfriend sinking funds. Okay, I am back. I was cooking me a pot pie. Do you guys eat like chicken pot pies? Marie Callender's is like my favorite pot pie. Like, if you do, comment down below what is your favorite pot pie, if you like pot pies, because there's like beef pot pie, there's an apple pot pie. I like the Parmesan chicken, turkey. Like, she has different ones that I'm just obsessed with right now. But okay. So let's get back to this. So let me grab the tracker. I'm gonna grab her little things. So we have total, we have 76. So we're gonna put a 20, 10, a 5, 15, 16, 17, 18. So put that to the side. Hold on. I was like, I love this type of cash stuffing videos where we just see it kind of adding up. So we got 20, 35, 36, 37, 38. So we're adding 38 to the emergency fund. And we could also knock out 2 SOS calls. And we're going to add, we said 38. Today is the 7th. Yes, it'll be the 7th. Okay, so let's see how much we have saved up so far. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have 114 in this envelope. So we're gonna write it in. Okay, for medical, we're gonna put $10. 2 5s. Oh, 10. I'll put 10. And we could also color in a heart too. So we should have $50. My nails, my nails. So we have 20, 30, 40, 45, and 50. card. Each one is $20. Let's see how many 10s do I got. I want to try to save some of my 10s, some of my 20s, because a lot of this is off rip, so I didn't really plan for it. So we could do a 10 and 2 5s. So we have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60. Trying to keep these trackers updated. They're getting a little messy. Bills is 25. Let me just try to grab all of it. I'm gonna do one of 20 and a 5. This thing. So we have 20, 40, 45, $50. Clothes, we have $10. I need to round out these corners. I round them out when I do my actual orders. And I didn't round out my own. So $10. I'm gonna add 2 5s. 5, 10, 15, $20 for clothes. Cause I need to get some summer clothes. I think I want to get me some cute outfits for my trip that I'm taking this summer. Oh, did I update it? Hold on. No, I sure didn't. I need to give me some shorts, like, for real. Because I gained a couple pounds in the behind area, so I have to get some new shorts. Date, we got 21. I think I'm going to round out these corners when I'm done with this video, because I keep getting cut and it's like so annoying. So let's see how many we got. We got those 10s. Still got a lot of 5s. So 5, 10, 15. I got a lot of 1s too. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Let's do the next one. We got 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Because I do have a really cute date night that I want to plan. That I I think will be super duper cute. I was like, maybe I'll take you guys with me for date night. So you can see what we do with it. With my little date night. Oh, I didn't know that I was missing a T. 21, now we got 42. And if you're wondering where I got my envelopes from, it's from It's MissK here on YouTube and TikTok. It's like, she's super sweet. I'm stuffing this all in here. I'm probably like, oh my gosh. I know. I need to round out the corners because it'll make it a lot easier to take them out. Holidays, I think we was gonna do 15. One 10 and one 5. We have 10, 20, 25, 30. And I know we definitely have to catch up in the holidays too. But I also have my monthly challenges going towards my holidays and my Budget Queen binders, my Budget Queen saving challenges. I also have that going there too. 37. You guys are probably like, what the hell? Okay, we got it. And vacation, I think I just started putting like $5 in here because I know I have my trip that's coming up. But I am also doing the $20 challenge that's also going towards my vacation time too. So, like, I don't even know when I put that $5 in there. I think I just put it in there. So this is vacation. Let's see, this is $5. Let's see. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Or, hold on, we could do each one of these. Make it a little bit more fun. Let's see. Because you can write these in too. So let's say this is $5. The plains are going to be $5. These are going to be 10. These ones are going to be 25. Those stars is going to be 30. These ones are going to be the little crab. We can do that 40. And then the stars is going to be 50. And then the sunglasses is going to be 60. Yay. Okay. Bam, boom, bam. There you go. May savings challenge. So we have 2 planes. Okay. So we're going to do it like that. So you can do it kind of like how I did it, was where I just kind of made my own. Like each of these is going to be 60, it's going to be 10, it's going to be 25, it's going to be 30. Just to make it, you know, a little bit more challenging. Or you can just make each one $5, $10, $25, $50, $100, however you want to make it. So I don't know when I put that $5 in there, so oops. So we're just gonna put 10. slid right on off. Okay, so got $10. And if I don't like something, I could always change it. But that is what we're doing with the vacation. Make it a little bit more fun. And alrighty. Okay. Put that in there. Go in there. Okay. There you go. Okay. It kind of smudged already. But I think I'm gonna probably, yeah, I'm gonna use a marker. Because sometimes these dry erase markers aren't really, like, they're too easily, like, wiped off. So I think I'm gonna use these. I love my Erin Condren, like these dry erase markers, because they don't wipe off easily. Like these ones, you do have to use like alcohol or like a wipe to wipe these off. But I prefer this better than the dry erase markers. And I'm still searching for a really good marker. If you have any recommendations, put it in the description, put it down in the comment section so I can try them out. And hopefully they have a lot more colors, because I definitely want to get more colors, or I'm just gonna have to get the Erin Condren markers. But these ones work the best with like dry, like these laminated sheets. So, but if you have any more recommendations, please leave some in the comments down below. Thank you. Alrighty, so we did our Hey Now Say Now. I feel really good. We actually made it to $100 in our emergency fund, which is really, really good. So, all right, you guys, that's it for this video. I know. We will be back tomorrow, and we will be doing a, oh, doesn't want to shut. Okay, well, there you go. Okay, there you go. Okay, so we will be back tomorrow, and we're going to be doing our envelopes and the, oh, Baddies and Budgets, right. So we're going to be doing envelopes and Baddies and Budgets. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Yeah.